everyone, Surbhikalia this side. So good to be back again. My topic for today is very important. People who really think that skin care is important. People who believe in good skin care, believe in a lot of dedicating a certain time of your day to make sure that your skin looks clean and it stays young for longer time, it stays healthy for long time. तो आपको कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो अपनी रूटीन में बदलनी ही पड़ेंगी. उसमें से एक बहुत ही one of the most important part of that routine is washing your face. It is so basic, but I always feel that फिर भी कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा है जो related to washing your face जो incomplete है, जो नहीं ढंग से follow हो रहा है. important है as कुछ भी हम अपने face पे लगाएं उससे पहले ज़रूरी है कि हमारा face clean हो. अगर हम बहुत ही polluted area में रहते हैं, in north part of India mostly यहाँ pollution बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So we all know washing our face is so important. When you come back from your work or you're going for a walk or a run in the morning, you have to make sure that before you apply anything or makeup or skincare, you have to make sure कि आपका face एकदम clean हो. आप face clean करने के लिए आप क्या यूज़ करते हैं? Soap, face washes. So वो चीज़ें हमें पता है, पर आपको पता है कि सोप करता क्या है? सोप जब वाटर के साथ मिलता है और फेस वॉश जो वाटर के साथ मिलता है तो एक तरह से उसमें एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है जिससे वो सारा डर्ट पुल आउट करता है और वो विद वॉशिंग ऑफ आवर फेस वो सारा वो जो बबल्स होते हैं उसकी टेल पार्ट में पुश होकर वो वॉश अवे हो जाता है. सो जब वो इस प्रोसेस में करता है देन कि कुछ एक चीज़ है जो बहुत ही डिसबैलेंस हो जाती है, वो है पीएच लेवल. पीएच लेवल डेफिनेटली हमारे फेस से पीएच लेवल को डिस्टर्ब करता है. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जो बहुत ज़्यादा आपके pH बैलेंस को डिस्टर्ब करता है, दैट विल नॉट बी गुड फॉर योर स्किन, दैट विल नॉट डू यू गुड. सो द थिंग इज दैट आपको अपने फेस टाइप, स्किन टाइप, वेदर टाइप के अकॉर्डिंग आपके फेस वॉशेस चूज़ करने हैं. टुडे जो फेस वॉशेस की मैं बात करने वाली हूँ वो कोई भी एक्सपेंसिव फेस वॉशेस नहीं है. रीजनेबल ड्रग स्टोर फेस वॉशेस हैं, ईजिली मिल जाते हैं ऑनलाइन, ईजिली किसी भी स्टोर पे मिल जाते हैं और वो बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है. मैं ऑल द फेस वॉशेज आर इन अ डिफरेंट स्किन केयर रेंज, तो उसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा बहुत बताती रहूँगी. कुछ फेस वॉशेज मेरे पास अवेलेबल नहीं है बट उसको बारे में मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आई लीव अ नेम ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट सो दैट इन केस अगर मैं उसके ऑयली वर्जन के बारे में बता रही हूँ ऑयल स्किन के, तो ड्राई स्किन का वर्जन शायद मेरे पास, बिकॉज आई एम अ ड्राई स्किन टाइप, मेरे पास मोस्टली ड्राई स्किन टाइप ही फेस वॉशेज हैं. बट फॉर ऑयली स्किन टाइप का जो भी लिंक होगा वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में छोड़ दूंगी, द नेम ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट, सो दैट इन केस यू वांट टू गो टू एनी वेबसाइट नाइका और अमेजोन और यू गो टू द स्टोर, एटलीस्ट यू हैव अ नेम ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट, सो दैट विल हेल्प यू. बट आई ऑलवेज फील जो भी प्रोडक्ट ले अगर उसका मिनी पैक मिलता है, try that for the first time and then eventually if you think it's good enough then you can buy a big bottle or whatever, just try a face wash for some time and if it doesn't suit you you can pass it to your family member. सो फेस वॉश सूट करता है नहीं करता है उसके लिए भी थोड़े स्टेप्स है जिससे आपको पता चलता है. जब भी आप कोई फेस वॉश यूज़ करें, अगर आपको बहुत ही स्ट्रेचीनेस फील हो रही है, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे यू रब योर चीक एंड लाइक आवाज़ आ रही है, यू फील दैट साउंड कमिंग फ्रॉम योर चीक, लाइक इट्स सो इट्स लाइक सो टाइट, आपकी स्किन को कर देता है, लगता है सारा ऑयली खींच लिया हो, तो नेचुरल ऑयल्स वो भी आपके फेस के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. अगर आपके नोज़ के कॉर्नर ड्राई हो रहे हैं वो भी आपकी स्किन के लिए अच्छा नहीं. यू फील कि आपको 2-3 दिन बाद यू फील कि यहाँ बहुत ड्राइनेस है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट राइट फॉर योर फेस वॉश फॉर योर स्किन टाइप. सो वो चीज़ें आपको डेफिनेटली ध्यान रखनी है, उसके बाद ही आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन सा फेस वॉश आपको सूट करता है. यू आर लुकिंग एट माई हेयर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ओके, दिस इज माई ऑल नेचुरल हेयर, सो आई डू लॉट ऑफ DIY हेयर पैक्स वीडियो. आई ऑल्सो डू लॉट ऑफ hair styling videos. I have also shown you how I have started using how do I straighten my hair, how do I use the Philips Kerashine straightener brush at home. So those things I keep doing, but I personally feel that the actual texture of my hair is pretty good. I have colored my hair number of times and I just wash it. They are not very straight but I can style it as I want, but the texture is good because I follow all the steps. And for you also, please go through those videos so you know the basic of it, that what need to be done before you start straightening your hair. So if you do it well, then of course you'll be it will benefit you and your hair will stay shiny longer and healthier for a longer time. Okay, so for उससे पहले मैं एक और बात बताना चाहूँगी, जो लोग मेरा चेहरा पहली बार देख रहे हैं और उनको मेरा कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड लेट्स गेट इनटू वीडियो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, अगर आपको एक्ने प्रॉब्लम है तो एक ये फेस वॉश है जो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है. एक और फेस वॉश था जिसके बारे में मैंने अपनी वीडियो किया, देयर वाज अ Mamaearth टर्मरिक फेस वॉश, केसर टर्मरिक फेस वॉश, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. सो this and that one works really well. So this is a Biotique Bioneem Purifying Face Wash. Prevents pimple, fall, skin types. Very reasonable cost, you know, and it works very well. So I don't use it all the time. Only when I get acne, like I get acne during, you know, my cycle, when I have my menstruation going on, I do get acne around that time. So I start using this. I use it for a week, and after that, when I feel that, you know, that it has controlled the acne, or the acne has started to dry up like this one, then I stop using it, because sometimes otherwise it gets too drying for me, because I am a dry skin type. So कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जो आप किसी रीजन से यूज कर रहे हैं एंड यू डोंट हैव अ रेगुलर एक्ने इश्यूज, तो आप उसको रेगुलर यूज ना करें. You know, you can use it for that time period, and of course then you can shift to something much milder, because ये वाले में जो होते हैं, it has a property of extracting too much oil from the skin, and it can make your skin dry after, you know, regular usage. So this is what is good for acne, people with acne prone skin. So they can try this, and if you like it, you can invest. Definitely invest, and very reasonable, and a great brand, natural brand, and this actually says for all skin types, so you don't have to invest anything extra. After that, I'm going to talk about another of my favorite brand, very reasonable again, very effective, Mamaearth. Okay, so Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash. This is with vitamin C and turmeric, and this is, it says for skin illumination. The other one was for actually for acne, that turmeric and I think Kesar one. This has, again, you know, this paraben and SLS free. This suits all skin types and dermatologically tested. Again, very mild gel-like texture, smooth on your skin, doesn't make your skin dry. So again, me being a dry skin type, इसको मैं regularly भी use करती हूँ. It really, and for summer it is perfect, because you know, summer में जैसे you feel that कि स्वेटिंग जल्दी होती है, तो ये जो इसमें जो टर्मरिक के फीचर्स हैं वो एक्चुअली ज़्यादा स्वेटी नहीं होने देते फेस को, डेफिनेटली परफेक्टली क्लीन करते हैं, बिल्कुल पीएच बैलेंस आपका स्किन का डिस्टर्ब नहीं होता. But I still suggest you, because this is not a very expensive product, you can try it, and then if it suits you, I think you can continue using that after that if you feel it's good enough and it's suiting you. Another product I'm going to talk about is this MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. इसमें coffee face wash आता है, एक green tea face wash आता है. Again, very good product. Okay, you can take my word for it. It has never caused any reaction to me. It is so amazing. It has always kept my skin nice and healthy without over drying my skin. So this product is amazing. Again, very reasonable. It costs around 349 rupees, available on Amazon, Nykaa, and great product. I personally feel this is one of the, you know, MCaffeine has done really good with their skin product. They have very limited range of products, but whatever they have created, at least they have made sure that it doesn't, you know, people fall in love with their product and use it again and again. So definitely green tea could be more for people who have acne prone skin or sensitive skin. Otherwise, for somebody like me who has normal skin, combination skin, you can definitely try this one. It suits me perfectly. So definitely you can try this or the green tea version, whichever one you like. You will not regret buying it. After that, I'm going to talk about is yes, another of my discovery which I've just came across and I'm in love with it is this Neutrogena. It's again for all skin type, Pure Mild Facial Cleanser. Neutrogena is actually one of my favorite brands. I always feel that they also go through a lot of research before they, you know, make their products. So anything to clog your pores, और जो product रहे कि उसको अच्छे से wash करे makeup को या sweat को या drying को या dust को. So ये definitely वो formula है जो clean करता है, जो mostly सभी clean करते हैं. But I always like that it has coconut acid, it has sodium, it has water, it has glycerin, it has oleic acid. These are the good, good products for the skincare. So ये definitely ऐसे products हैं जो skin को, benefit ही करते हैं and doesn't harm your skin. Again, very mild. pH balance को disturb नहीं करता है. बहुत थोड़ा लगता है. Again, it has a pump bottle, so very convenient to use. This is again, I feel Neutrogena again, as they told you, they always, you can use their creams, they use their moisturizer, you can use their, I'm quite in love with their sunscreen. I've been using it, and when I started using this face wash, I thought, how come I have never come across product like this. As Neutrogena is my favorite brand because I am always searching for a brand which is mild on my skin. So this is not very natural like the Mamaearth or the MCaffeine kinds, but this is actually quite balanced, and it does make your skin look clean, glowy. And as I told you, cleaning the face is very important. So it is one of the face washes which I can definitely recommend to you. Again, this gel kind of formula will definitely suit oily skin type people too, but it's definitely suiting me too. So for oily skin type people, you can definitely also invest in this one. Now I'll come to two face washes, which is definitely basically for oily skin types. Okay, very basic. Again, another of my favorite, Neutrogena. Yeah, Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. This is a foam kind of texture. Again, this is actually perfect for oily skin types, you know, and it has thorough cleansing with long-lasting oil control for the deepest feeling clean. Again, I have told you, a lot of research goes into making Neutrogena skincare products. I know about it, I have read about them, I use their products, so you know, I really trust this brand. So again, for oily skin type, definitely you can buy this Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. It really makes your, you know, that oil goes away. It doesn't really disturb your pH too much, and you know, maybe too drying, can be too drying for dry skin type. So I normally would use this actually my husband's face wash. So but you know, I also know people who use it regularly, and they personally they always buy this tube, and it is always in their bag whenever they are traveling, or you know, they're going to leave it to the hotel. They always prefer to use this one because they personally feel this is one of the greatest face washes, you know, especially if you are on a beach or in a Goa and you feel too sweaty, or you know, this is a tube, so you can easily put in your purse, and whenever you get a place to wash your face, you can definitely clean with this one, and it does make all the sweat and the grime go away. So definitely one of the face washes I can definitely recommend for oily skin types. Another one is this very old school Clean Air Clear face wash. Again, for people who have acne prone skin, it is oil free, removes dirt, oil and pimple causing germs. It's from Johnson & Johnson. Guys, actually we have seen so much of advertisement of this product, so I don't want to talk a lot about it. People who have benefited from it, they always like to talk about this product. Again, this is not a very natural kind of formula, which I like about the Encafine one or the, you know, Mamaearth one, because I am somebody who likes to use something very natural, and I have found that range, you know, not a very non-drying face washes in that range, but somebody who still feels that those product doesn't do justice, so you can invest in something like this. So this is the formula which a lot of people swear by it, and they're very happy with it. I don't know, I thought maybe, you know, it won't be too in a thing to introduce this, but I thought, why not? You know, there could be few ones who must have used this, said, why didn't Sylvie speak about Clean and Clear? It has benefited us so much. Even the Himalaya face washes, some people swear by them. It has kept their skin clean. So you guys, there are many face washes that I've come across. I've used many of them. I'm still using, you know, a combination of 3 or 4 face washes. I keep changing it as per the season. When it's too cold or drying, then I don't use a very drying kind of consistency. Like, you know, I might not use this Neem anti-acne face wash because, you know, it's too cold, then you know, these face washes tend to give you a little bit of dryness on your face. Again, you know, when it's nice and summertime, then I would prefer to use a vitamin C face wash because it has illuminating properties, also gel-like texture, so it helps to keep the sweat, clean the sweat properly, and also keeps it away. And my all-time favorite is this Encafine coffee face wash, which I love. I have been using it. It smells nice. It works wonderful on my skin. All these face washes actually vocal for local kind of product. I've made a separate video where I actually mentioned these face washes, and they have worked perfectly for me, and I'm quite in love with that. If you feel that you also have something which you want to share with me and want to tell me about, because I personally feel that, you know, over the years you come across many things and some just stays back with you. And also, being a YouTuber, being a beauty blogger, I'm always in a search of good products and introducing it to you. So today I've spoken about face washes, which is a very most important part of our skincare. So guys, if you haven't started cleaning, or you know, do it twice a day, or do it whenever you come back from outside, because keeping your face clean is very basic. It's like washing your hands. You protect your hands from viruses and bacteria. Same way we also need to take care of our face. So don't do too much, because again, I said face skin is a very sensitive part, so you don't want it to get over dried. You don't want the pH balance to get disturbed. Again, after face washes, to balance that pH level, we need toners, we need a good face serum, and of course a moisturizer and sunscreen. So these are the things you should follow to make your skin look glowing and healthier for years to come. So I keep talking about skincare. I cannot stop talking enough about it. You know, today I wanted to come just like that, without my hair being styled, without my nails being painted, because I personally feel if you have a good skin, then you know, you can do a lot if you have a basics right. If you have a healthy nail, if you have a healthy shiny hair, if you have a basic clear skin, these things can, your skin can, you know, and rest everything come later. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and do check out my previous videos. You will find something interesting in that, and see you again guys. Bye bye.